YouTube short I upload, I get millions of views and make hundreds of dollars.
And YouTube Shorts are making people tens of thousands of dollars per month, and up until recently, nobody knew how. Now this might sound crazy.
YouTube Shorts are making people tens of thousands of dollars a month, and up until recently, no one knew how.
I bet everybody that sees this videos has watched some other creators talking about making thousands with YouTube Shorts. Talking about the unlimited money you can make with YouTube Shorts. But are these people actually telling the truth? Can you create viral shorts just by using AI? And can you make big money with them? I think now is the perfect time. OpenAI released Sora after 2 years, and I thought to myself, can you create YouTube Shorts and automatically make money with them? I bet you have seen these videos claiming to make thousands with YouTube Shorts, and you want to make some money yourself? I mean, these videos get millions of views, easy videos, so can you create these just with AI and make some big money? Maybe you remember the time where YouTube Shorts paid nothing for views, but since this year you can get between 10 and 20 pennies for 1,000 views. Doesn't sound too much, but getting views on YouTube Shorts is way easier than on TikTok and Instagram. You don't even need to create videos over a minute like on TikTok to make some money. And Instagram doesn't pay you any money for clicks. AI generated content like these pages get millions of views, and they do is clicking a button and typing in a few words into video generator and getting a viral video. So is this the perfect way to create videos, completely automatically upload them and make money that easily? We will cover 2 different types of AI tools, either ones that create entire AI generated videos from the scratch, or AI tools that just edit long form content into engaging shorts. Understand which one can go viral the easiest. Before we even explain how to create viral content, you have to understand how a video goes viral on YouTube Shorts. Every successful short out there has hit 3 critical factors: wow factor, storytelling, and emotions. These 3 things are essential to create a viral YouTube short. Every short is a story that is supposed to catch the viewer's attention and make him watch the video until the end. To even understand deeper what makes a short go viral, I went on the dive and analyzed thousands of videos in the last days and tried to understand what makes a video go viral. I tried to use some of those strategies on my own account, and I slowly figured out why some of the videos get millions of views and why some only get a few hundred. After all the videos, I discovered one niche that has the potential to destroy everything and get millions of views in the next few months. To understand that even more, I watched a lot of videos explaining that you can mass produce shorts that could make you thousands of dollars, and you are supposed to create hundreds of videos in a few minutes. Like, the thing, when you look at the monetization rules, creating mass produced or stolen content will never make you money. But what about AI generated content? When you look at that, you can create videos with AI if they are original and make yourself a fortune with them. Let's answer the 2 questions here. What is this viral niche that I mean? And can you create viral shorts by just using AI and without any effort? Before I explain that, a quick word to all of my community members. I will create a full course about this in the next few weeks, explaining everything in detail like I did for my Instagram part. So if you want to join and learn how to make money with YouTube Shorts, don't miss your opportunity before I raise the price to $50. So, okay, can you create a viral video with just using AI tools like Invideo or Fleeky? These tools can create fully AI generated movies just by typing in a prompt. So let's try it out. Go to Invideo here, you can type in a prompt. For now, let's create a viral niche, like in one of my latest YouTube videos, like creating Messi and Ronaldo videos. You can here type in the prompt and choose the length of the video and the format. The AI will create a full video for you in just a few seconds. That looks really amazing. And yes, these videos are very rare on this platform. That's a reason they could go viral, but I have to say they still lack in storytelling. And just from experience, nobody is going to watch these videos until the end. So just to answer your question, should you buy a subscription for an AI tool? No, I am sorry, but just typing in a prompt in a tool and waiting for a tool to do your job is not possible. I am just being honest with you, even though some of these platforms are paying me big money, because the most important for video like these is retention. If your video gets a 100% retention, it will go viral automatically. But don't get fooled. A video with 10 seconds and a 100% watch rate isn't as great as a video with 40 seconds and a 75% watch rate. And videos that are created with AI tool like that aren't going to get a great retention. YouTube wants to keep the viewer on the platform, and they like longer videos for that. So what about tools like Vsub or Clip? While doing research for this videos, I saw hundreds of YouTube videos saying you can create viral shorts by putting longer podcast clips into these AI tools or quiz videos just by using similar tools. Let's give it a try. Go to Vsub. This costs $20 just to try. So I am using another video as a reference. You can just go in here and choose a video template you want to create. Then you should create a script with ChatGPT, and using that, the AI can create a fake chat or quiz video for you in seconds. Like, these videos can get some big views on YouTube Shorts, and I know that other creators tell you it's this easy selling you their own websites, but there are so many channels that will never get any views because there are so many of them out there, and getting monetized with them can also be hard because you are using templates to create these videos. That goes with every video that you create by using only AI. So is there a way to create content with the help of AI and still get monetized? Okay, we can still use AI to create a script, the voiceover, and video ideas for your viral videos, so let me show you how to on the viral niche that I was talking about. While researching YouTube Shorts, I noticed that most accounts that cover viral niches went viral months ago, and the videos these days get only a little fraction of the views. That's because many people jumped on that train and started creating similar videos, and with too many similar videos, the creators will lose most of their viewers. You can even use ChatGPT to look for viral niches. Just go in ChatGPT and ask it to find viral niches that are not already used by hundreds of other creators. It will give you some really interesting niches. You can take one and see if these are already going viral on TikTok or somewhere else. Now, for this video, I found this account about geography shorts that go completely viral. And to be honest, there are many TikTok accounts doing this right now, but not that many YouTube accounts. And those videos of these accounts go super viral. I have to say, you can't just automate these videos, and they can take some time to create, but they are really worth it. So to create your script, I always use ChatGPT for that. Again, go here and let it create a little script for a YouTube short that is under a minute long and about the geography of Russia. For this, let's just create a little video about the city Moscow. Take the script and go to 11 Labs. This AI tool has the most realistic AI voices on the market, and the voice you're hearing right now was also created with 11 Labs. Take your script and put it into 11 Labs. Choose a voice that you like and create your script. You can change the settings to make the voice faster and even make the emotions in the voice stronger. Now that we have our voiceover, we will start creating our video. For this type of video, let's go to Google Earth Studio. In this platform, you can create video of Google Earth by clicking a few buttons. Just create a keyframe and start over the country that you like. You can now zoom in a bit more and create another keyframe. This should be done after the script, so you have a video for every second of the script. Now go and download the country flag of the Russia in the shape of Russia. We will input everything together in CapCut. Now we will combine everything using CapCut. Overlay the Russia flag over the actual Earth and start animating it. You can watch more videos about this to create videos better than all the other creators. Start by overlaying, then input your animation from Google Earth Studio to create an engaging short. These videos have the potential to get millions of views, and you can create them with the help of AI. If you want me to create a longer video about this, explaining everything in detail, comment that down below. And while you are down there, like and subscribe to this account. Okay, last thing, is it possible to automate creating viral shorts and make money with it? It's possible, but it's not as easy as the people say. Automating everything sounds really amazing, but can't everybody do that? I'm not saying that you can't create viral videos by using AI like these animated videos, but you can create them that easy. You first have to create an image and transform that into videos, and that can be a lot of work. So I would focus on learning how to edit and create videos that are actually giving value to the viewer. Okay, that's it for today. If you want me to create a specific video about any niche, just tell me. Don't forget to like and follow.